What's up, boys, girls, and Ubers? I'm gonna show you something. Make sure to like and subscribe. Come here, Sully. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy.
Pet your leg.
Come here. Oh my God. Oh. This is Sully. He's very playful. We're not living with him. We're just babysitting him. He's not like living with us. We're just like babysitting him, kind of.
Whose dog is?
The breed of his dog is a golden retriever, I think. I think he's like biting on his leg. Hold on. It's him just chewing on his tail. He lost 2 teeth in a row. 2 teeth in one day. One day. Look at this guy. His like tail is smacking me in the face. Thing hurts. Sully, come here. Well, he likes me. He likes my dad more than me. So sad. Can I have some support from liking and subscribing? Come here! Oh, whoops. Come here, Sully! Come here! You can stay there. Good boy! He's a boy.
Pet your leg and then he'll come over.
He's... I don't know. Alright. So my dad says, like, pat his leg like this.
Your leg.
My leg like this.
What is that? What is that?
He's busy right now. Sorry. His tail like smacks you in the face. Like, what is this? You might not see it. Yeah, you can't see it. But you can see his face. Kinda. Yeah, like and subscribe, guys. Bye. And my goal is 25 subscribers. We're at 22. And thank you guys for that support. Bye.